Picture this, midnight in a New York bodega. Fluorescent lights flicker like nervous fireflies. Air smells of warm bagels and city rain. In the corner, one tiny fruit basket. Only one banana left. You pause. You don't even like bananas. Maybe mild allergy. Yet suddenly you feel it. Heartbeat quick. Eyes lock on yellow peel like an eagle spotting prey. Your chest tightens as if the fate of your tribe depends on potassium. Someone else steps closer. Stranger with fancy shoes. He sees the banana too. Your brain screams, must. Fake. Now, this is not hunger. This is ancient code. The same code that makes sneakerheads camp outside for rare Air Jordans, pushes crypto traders to buy when supply dips, and drives Taylor Swift ticket prices into orbit. Limited supply flips a switch you didn't know existed. Economists call it the law of supply and demand. Gurucha calls it banana madness. Price goes up when stuff gets rare, but it's more than price, it's power. That single banana suddenly feels like a treasure chest, even if you plan to buy potato chips. Tonight we hunt this invisible beast. From fruit stands to Bitcoin halvings, from sold-out stadiums to lumber shortages, you will see how scarcity hijacks your proud modern brain and turns you into frantic cave child with credit card. The lonely banana fades as the scene widens to the home marketplace. Rents, gas pumps, glowing crypto charts. Scarcity is no longer a funny fruit story. It's the quiet heartbeat of every price you pay. Follow Gurucha out of the bodega and into a world where this beast prowls every corner. Scarcity everywhere, and it bite your wallet. Gurucha stomp into bigger market now. No more tiny banana drama. This beast roam whole America. Scarcity not shy. Scarcity roar like Thundercat and chew on your paycheck while you sleep. Look at your modern cave rent. In Austin, Texas, same dusty apartment that cost $1,200 a moon ago now howl at $1,900. No extra fire pit, no magic upgrades. Just more hunters fighting for fewer caves. Scarcity lick its lips. Concert tickets. Taylor Swift seats rise like volcano smoke. Median U.S. concert price up more than 50% in 10 winters. Live Nation numbers say. People sell spare tickets for $900, and still other humans tackle each other with credit card teeth. Even basic hunt food, eggs, milk, gas, turn into trophy prey. Remember the great toilet paper war of 2020? Shelves empty. Humans wrestle an aisle like mammoth running season. You laugh now, but remember how stomach twist when you hold last roll like sacred scroll. Scarcity also sneak into digital jungle. Crypto coins. Price leap and dive like crazy salmon whenever supply tighten. One tweet, one rumor, and the herd stampede. The noise of the market beats through every street. Rent notices, flashing price tags, the quiet warning that your grocery money might not stretch. You feel it when gas jumps overnight, when housing bids climb like startled birds, when a limited sneaker drop vanishes before you blink. Scarcity isn't just a word in an economics book. It's a force that turns ordinary humans into cornered wolves. The cruelest trick? Your brain loves the chase. FOMO floods it with hot dopamine, pushing you to swipe, click, and by before reason can arrive, you think you're the hunter, but tonight your wallet is the prey and the market the predator. The modern economy is a giant jungle with Wi-Fi, and scarcity is the tiger you never see until its teeth are already in your paycheck. So why does your heart race when nothing truly threatens you? To find the answer, Gurucha drags you backward, past skyscrapers and sneakers, past credit cards, into icy nights and empty bellies where this panic was first born. Your brain built for scarcity. Gurucha drag you through time tunnel now, back before credit cards, before glowing rectangles, back to when humans still smell like smoke and mammoth hair. Picture ancestor crouch in dark cave, winter wind scream, food low, tribe spot one lonely mango hanging on far branch. What happened? Heart pound, eyes wide, muscles ready to climb tree or fight tiger. Grab mango or die cold. That survival alarm lives inside your skull today, still loud like war drum. Modern humans think they evolved. Brain still hairy. Princeton studies show when you sense scarcity, dopamine system flood like river after heavy rain. Focus sharpen, but judgment melt like snow and fire pit. This is why Black Friday crowds smash through sliding doors like buffalo stampede. Scarcity switch on ancient circuitry, haunt mode engaged, See it every holiday season. Sneaker bots snatch limited Jordans before you even pour coffee. Starbucks drop pumpkin spice limited and tribe queue at dawn like worshippers of orange sugar god. Same cave reflex, last berry on bush, last PS5 on shelf. Your mind screams now or never, even when you know better. Body betray you. Scroll social feed, watch countdown clock tick. Hands sweat. That's not capitalism. That's Stone Age code yelling. Winter coming. Grab fruit before neighbors steal. Feel that pulse. It's the echo of every famine your ancestors endured. Scarcity once meant life or death, and it still triggers the same alarm even when the prey is a game console or an overpriced concert seat. Now that ancient panic collides with modern markets full of speculation and digital gold rushes, turning survival instinct into a force that can rattle entire economies. Gurucha steps forward to show the coming storm. When scarcity meets speculation, Gurucha stomped from ancient forest back to bright modern market. Here the old hunger meets new glitter. Scarcity no longer just keep tribe alive, it pumped frenzy into whole economy until numbers danced like lightning. Look to history. Long ago Dutch humans lose minds over tulip bulbs. Pay for flour what could buy entire stone house. For petals, Gurucha laugh, but lesson sharp. Limited supply plus greedy brain equals bubble big enough to swallow village. Fast forward many moons. 2021, humans trade digital doodles called NFTs. One monkey picture sell for price of real mammoth herd. Why? Scarcity. Only a few copies. Same brainage, new costume. Crypto King Bitcoin follows same drum. Every 4 years supply cut in half. Halving, humans call it. Each time, price shoots skyward like volcano spit fire. Hunters fear missing next big catch, so they chase harder, pushing price even higher. Scarcity write the script, greed add fireworks. Pandemic times give fresh show. Lumber vanish from shelves, shipping slow like wounded elk. Humans stuck at home decide to build decks, sheds, entire new caves. 2x4 plank cost triple compared to 2019. Gurucha call it luxury stick era. Wallets cry, housing market, same beast. Too few homes, too many hunters. Bidding wars explode like thunder. Tribe leader offers cash over asking, others howl louder. Scarcity laugh, count coins. Do you hear that rhythm? The lonely banana heartbeat now thunders through banks, blockchains, and billion-dollar headlines. Ancient panic fused with modern speculation, driving markets like a storm. This is the peak of the hunt. Scarcity no longer just tempts you with fruit or sneakers. It steers nations and inflates bubbles. The only question left, how does a tiny human with rent do survive the storm? Gurucha leads you to the final fire. Scarcity smarts, keep wallet calm. Gurucha sit by fire now. Hungover, but lesson still warm. You see how tiny banana panic grow into global money quake. Now Gurucha give tools so your brain stop chasing ghost mammoth. First, pause hunt. When you feel that hot rush, heart beat loud, fingers ready to click, buy. Wait one sunset. One night of sleep, cool the fire. Dopamine calm down. Brain stop screaming now or die. Many shiny things still there tomorrow. If not, maybe you never need it. Second, check real value. Modern humans have magic scrolls, price history apps, market charts, data that show if cost is fair or if tribe just yelling louder. Look at trend, not hype. If price triple in weeks with no reason, that not treasure, that trap. Third, invest in things with use, not just story. Shelter to live, tools to build, business that make real goods. Scarcity can mean quality, like small batch bourbon or local honey, but not every limited thing deserves your mammoth meat. Pixel picture of bored monkey? Maybe not. Remember, markets love drama. They tell tale of last chance, one night only, rare drop. But many times scarcity is just loud drum to wake your inner caveman. You can choose to dance or sit by fire and smile. Think back to that lonely banana in New York. Picture it glowing under flickering light. Ask yourself, do you even like banana? Or is your Stone Age brain bossing you around? The answer decides who owns your wallet, you or the ancient panic. So brief, let stranger with fancy shoes grab the fruit if they must. You keep calm, keep coin, keep power.
That all. Now you smart like coconut. Smash subscribe or me throw fire stick. Gurucha vanish now. Pooh!